there and welcome to this new BoloSign tutorial. We've been getting a lot of questions recently about the difference between overall branding settings and the form branding settings. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to brand your forms. So to start with changing your logo, you can click onto the existing logo over here and you will be redirected to your system storage and select any desired logo that you want and click open. After a few seconds, your logo is updated here. And to change the theme, the color, the template of your existing form, you can do all these settings in the customize theme setting. So when you click onto this customize theme, you will be having three different templates: the Google Forms template, Notion, and the Typeform template. You can choose any desired template theme that you want and build your form. And when it comes to the font, we provide a variety of font options as well, and you can choose any desired font option that you want, and you can also change the accent color of your font. So right now it is purple, so if I try to change it to a green shade, you will be able to see that the entire form has been branded to this new color. And I can also set up a new header image for my form. So when I click on to the choose image, I'll be redirected to my system storage and I can select any header image that I want and click open, and the particular image will be placed on my form header. And when it comes to the background color of this particular form, I can change my background color based on the accent color that I have selected. So if I choose a different accent color, even the background color options also will change. So I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thank you.